I made it. Alone. Get out of here. And what is this? This is the bathroom. I mean, this is the swimming pool of the king. So swim out of here. Oh. Oh, okay, different one. That's going up to the platform. This is the tower. This is also the other tall one, which has the flag. And you get a closer look at the set. Maybe to get further a little bit. I'm sure you won't see it really good, but I hope you like it. Here the stairs. Here the stairs. Here we just walk around the king. That is walking too. Oh, I didn't mention to make a diamond one. Too bad. Cause it no butter. Okay, so let's exit this place. Let's exit this place and go somewhere else. We're gonna get to that later. I hope I finish it. I hope I finish it fast. Because I still have more videos to do, I think. Okay, now, let's go to the subway. The subway is really long, so I must fly. Let's look at some stuff.